The 849 Testarossa takes its place at the top of Ferrari's range thanks to its performance, its ability to thrill the driver without ever compromising ride comfort or interior refinement, as well as its futuristic yet deeply historically rooted design. This car is conceived for the most demanding clients, those who want the very best from a Ferrari. It is also the reason for the return of a legendary name in Maranello's history, Testa Rossa, which was first used on the 500 TR in 1956 to describe the color of the cam covers of some of Ferrari's most extreme, high-performance and iconic racing engines, before being used as a name for one of the marque's most famous road-going models, the 1984 Testarossa,